To all the grown-ups listening, Curious Camp is here. It's time to turn your home into a 7-day nature adventure. Curious Camp is an at-home, interactive, self-paced, and screen-free week-long experience hosted by me. Over 3 hours of audio, 20-plus pages of scavenger hunts, and lots of other activities, plus a detailed parent guide with no more than about 10 minutes of setup each day. You only have 4 more days to sign up, so choose your Curious Camp experience at CuriousKidsEveryday.com/camp. It's Curious Kids Weekend Picks, where a kid from the Curious Kids Club gets to pick the episode. So, what episode are we going to hear today?
Hi Josh, my name is Ben. Why do people snore?
Hi, welcome to Curious Kids Every Day. I'm Josh. How are you doing today? It's so good to hear from you. Hey, have you ever seen your parents sleeping? It's always a little funny to see your parents asleep, huh? When your parents are sleeping, do they snore? I snore sometimes. Sometimes I wake up and my family tells me, "You were snoring, Daddy." But I don't know why they're so quick to laugh. After all, my kids snore sometimes too. It's true, I've heard it. It's not quite as loud as when I snore, but it is snoring all the same. Have you ever wondered why people snore? And what even is snoring? Why do we breathe differently when we're asleep sometimes? I was thinking about snoring today because I got an email from a curious kid named Ariel, and also one from Huck. They wondered, why do some people snore? Snoring is a sound that happens when air is trying to squeeze through a smaller than usual space in your throat or nose while you're sleeping. When that air squeezes through, it can make the soft, squishy parts in there start to vibrate. And vibrations are great at making sounds. That sound is the snore. See, when you're awake, your body is doing a lot of keeping things in place work without you noticing. The muscles in your throat and tongue help keep your airways open so air can flow smoothly in and out. But when you fall asleep, many of those muscles relax. That includes muscles in your tongue, in your throat, your soft palate, which is the soft part at the back of the roof of your mouth, and even that dangly thing in the back of your mouth called the uvula. Can you say uvula? When these parts relax, they can droop a little and make the airway narrower. Imagine drinking a smoothie through a wide straw versus a skinny straw. In the skinny straw, the air or liquid has to rush through faster and push harder. In your throat, that rushing air can wiggle the drooping parts around, and that wiggling turns into snoring sounds. So why do some people snore more than others? Well, for a few reasons. It depends how someone is sleeping. If you sleep on your back, gravity can pull your tongue and soft palate backward a bit, making the airway smaller. Some people snore less on their side because the airway stays more open. Snoring can also be caused by a stuffy nose. If your nose is clogged from a cold or allergies, it's harder to move air through it. You might breathe more through your mouth, and that can lead to more vibration in the throat. Oh, have you ever woken up and your throat hurt and you could tell it was because you had been mouth breathing instead of nose breathing while you slept? Ugh, nasty. And some people also have bigger or puffier throat parts. Some people have larger tonsils or a longer uvula or more soft tissue around the airway, and that can make the space smaller and easier to vibrate. And then also, snoring can just be caused by very deep sleep. When someone is in a super deep sleep, the muscles are really, really relaxed, and that can make snoring more likely too. So the answer is, snoring happens because sleeping relaxes your throat muscles, your airway gets a little smaller, air has to squeeze through, and the soft parts vibrate like a tiny, sleepy instrument. Just one playing a song that doesn't sound very good. All right, let's have a quick quiz. What makes the snoring sound? Vibrations in the soft parts of the throat and mouth. What's the name of the little dangly thing in the back of your throat? It's called the uvula. And sleeping in what position can make snoring more likely for some people because of gravity? On your back, which is unfortunate because sleeping on my back is the most comfortable way to sleep. I can always tell in the morning when I have slept on my back the whole night because I feel so much better. Sorry if it means I'm snoring. All right, let's play true or false. True or false? Snoring can happen because throat muscles relax during sleep. Yep, that's true. True or false? Snoring means your lungs are broken. That is false. True or false? A stuffy nose can make snoring more likely. That is true. One more. True or false? Everyone snores the exact same amount every night. No, that's false. Would you rather snore like this or like this? I think I would go with this one. All right, let's play a quick round of What Am I? What am I? You need me every day. A comfortable pillow can help with me. And sometimes I involve snoring. What am I? I am sleep. Well, the next time you hear someone snoring, you can think, ah, yes, the sleepy throat instruments are playing again. Snoring is usually just air squeezing through a smaller space and making soft parts vibrate. And it can change from night to night depending on the sleeping position and whether someone's nose is clear or not. Isn't breathing so nice? What kind of question do you think we'll ask tomorrow on Curious Kids Every Day? I can't wait to find out. So until then, keep asking questions and stay curious, kids. And we've got some birthdays today. Dawson from Pennsylvania is turning 2. Happy birthday, Dawson. Dean from California is turning 4. Happy birthday, Dean. And these curious kids are turning 5 today. Evie from Ohio. Happy birthday, Evie. Leo from Alaska. Happy birthday, Leo. And Lewis from California. Happy birthday, Lewis. Lily from North Carolina is turning 6 today. Happy birthday, Lily. And these curious kids are turning 7 today. Lillian from Ohio. Happy birthday, Lillian. Nova from Illinois. Happy birthday, Nova. Chase from North Carolina. Happy birthday, Chase. And Kyle from Maryland. Happy birthday, Kyle. These curious kids are turning 8 today. Naomi from Colorado. Happy birthday, Naomi. And Mason from New York. Happy birthday, Mason. Winifred from Maryland is turning 9 today. Happy birthday, Winifred. And Noah from Adelaide, South Australia is turning 10 today. Happy birthday, Noah! To all the grown-ups listening, if your curious kid wants their birthday mentioned on the show, please visit supportcuriouskids.com and join the Curious Kids Club. That's supportcuriouskids.com. See you tomorrow!